So today I will be discussing this free AI research tool from the Google that's completely free. Yes, but yet most people don't know about this. So it is actually Notebook LM. That's for note taking and a research assistant that's powered by Google. And let's see what it can do. So once you search it from the Google bar, and here you land at this interface, and it can do a lot of things for you. So first what you can do is that click on this try Notebook LM, and once you open it, it will just take you to a very new. So once you open it, it will take you to this interface where what you can do is just click on this new note, open this, and here what you can do is you can upload your multiple PDFs or documents from your Google Drive. If you have got PDF stored, it could be text files, it could be any copied text from anywhere. Say for example, you have copied multiple text passages from different research papers, or if you have copied multiple text passages from different research papers, theses in a books in a Word or LaTeX document that now you need to analyze and look for what you are actually looking, or it could be web page, simply a URL of a button folder. Simply say for example, I'm clicking on this PDF and I will go to some of my folders. Say for example, I'm clicking on this one paper, and I'm clicking on this two papers, and I'm clicking on this three papers, and open it. So now it's uploading three of my papers. Now what I can do is, see, here is the button to source. That means add source. With clicking it, you can have again all these options, and you can add the content from any of these resources. You can add content from any of these resources. Now I have got all these three PDFs. Now what I can do is I can literally chat in this tool related to my PDF or my source that I have downloaded. It could be I can talk with this. It could be simply a PDF chatting, or it could be a text chatting, a free tool. You can talk about all these three sources combined, or you can click any of these. Say for example, I'm just for the moment I have only just clicked this one, and I can talk about this. Here it says that view chat. Once we start talking, say for example, I'm writing that I gave it a command that please give a quick summary of this one PDF paper that I have uploaded, and just click on it. See, I just gave it a command that please give me a summary of this, and say just within seconds it gave me a full summary of this paper with references. See, look at, there are multiple references attached to each point, and the paper found that it gave me the four main points of this paper. Now see, it will auto suggest you other questions related to that topic. Say for example, suggesting that what is the primary underlying cause of this CS or ESS, how does the duration of ECG monitoring affect the detection of rate of, actually some concept from this paper. And I can ask out that, now gave it a prompt that find any research gaps in this study. So see, it says that this is a systematic review that acknowledges its own limitations, and it is giving you some other research gaps that are actually vocalized in this paper. Now what else you can do it, say for example, here are all these three are different papers. Say for example, you are working on your potential research topic that could be usually one at a time, and say you're uploading 5 papers that you have collected from your PubMed or some other resource, some AI tools as well, and you are actually trying to searching for a new research topic, looking for some research gaps on that particular topic. So actually you brought some 4 to 5 some influential research papers on that topic, upload them here, and just click all of those topics, and then ask this notebook to, you can ask it for different research gaps. You can ask for gap in evidence, you can ask for gap in the population, other types of gaps. You can ask for the what is a deficit in methodologies of these papers, and such questions. And what else you can do is, if say for example, just believe that I have got 10 papers or 5 papers, and ask the research gaps from all those 5 papers collectively, and that 5 papers were on a same topic. Say for example, they were on HIV and tuberculosis, and it will give me potential new gaps on those studies that I can do a further literature review on and find a new topic for myself. And how to just keep that simple is, you can copy this, you can copy it from here, paste it in your Word document, and see all that here comes in Word document. So this is literally a very useful tool for chatting with PDFs, just quickly reading the papers and getting the papers. What else you can do is, you can click on this share option, and it gives you multiple sharing options, like you can add people, you can write the emails of people, say for example, and you can say for example, I'm writing, this is an example from the Google itself, and you can send your work to those people that you have worked with the PDFs of the paper, you found some gaps, you found potential topics and anything, or you can copy the link and send that this whole workbook notebook link to that people. So you can use this tool actually. And here at the top you can actually give the name to this notebook. Say for example you're working on multiple topics, not only for research, it could be anything. And say for example giving it a name of ABC, and I can actually save it. So it is now saved. So if you come back, this is how this is your notebook is saved. I can use it. If you click on this, you can edit a title, you can delete, and you're working on this different tool. So I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and this tool is really very good and people don't know it. So please just take the advantage of this free tool and use it. Thank you.